Hey guys, how's it going? Today is March 4th, 2026. I'm going to do my trade recap for the day and as well as going over what I saw and my thoughts on the day. So I'm getting into it here. I was pretty bullish off open and I think it was a very easy bias today to be bullish, and I'll explain to you why I was bullish. So as you can see, overnight, price had retraced the previous day range. So we made this range yesterday. Price ripped higher yesterday, putting in this range, and then overnight price retraced back to OTE/discount of this higher time frame range here. You can see these wicks go right into the 62 to 79% retracement level. We see price go into here, and as well as price respect an hourly fair value gap and show great hourly rejection off of it on an hourly time frame. And as well as we on a 4-hour time frame, we have this 4-hour candle inversing this 4-hour bearish gap, and I just have a general lots of bullish draws and liquidity higher, and we don't have as many good bearish draws. And another reason why I was bullish was because we had this like a little retrace already of the new range, the new bullish range we put in. So measuring out this, we didn't go into discount, but we retraced down to this hourly, and that's really nice. I really like that, and that was the main reason why I was bullish today. I didn't really want to see shorts. I was open to shorts, but I wasn't fully bearish because we did have our right amount of stacked sell-side liquidity here. We had our London low stacked with Asia low and with previous day low, but that's not enough for me to be bearish just because we have stacked lows. So getting into the day here, we had market open. I wasn't expecting price to be choppy just because we had 8:15 news and we had 10 o'clock news. I'm marking out my data high. We had this 8:15 data high. I had this buy side liquidity. We have pretty good LR/trendline liquidity here, stacked highs, and we have this 15-minute that I really wanted to see get mitigated, right? And that's what price did. Price opens, comes right into 15-minute CE. It shows a great bullish reaction going to take the data high and the buy side liquidity. We run higher to take this minor buy side liquidity here. We sweep it and we put in a really good rejection. Now, if we were bullish, I would have wanted to see price do something like this, to take this high, come down into this 1-minute/2-minute fair value gap, retrace to move higher like that. We didn't get that, and that's why I was kind of leaning, okay, are we bearish towards this pre-market London? Like, yeah, this is the pre-market low. This is at 7, yeah, pre-market low. I was thinking we could be bearish towards this pre-market low, but I was waiting to see what price told me what to do. And price comes down, we sweep out this low, we respect the 15-minute CE again while sweeping this low, and we show a very good bullish reaction here. Now, this would not be enough for me to take a trade off of, just because at this moment I'm not fully confident where price wants to go to. And at this moment, I was thinking price could 2022 model up for a retrace into OTE here, and that's why I was not open for any longs at this moment in time, because I was thinking price could come up, tap into this 1 minute, and then go lower, and then hit this pre-market low, and then move higher for the rest of the day around lunch hour to PM session. So price is super choppy. There's no trades for me in here. We have this was the first trade I actually ended up liking, was this short. 1 minute short here. We had to sweep this high. We had this buy side liquidity also get swept, and we had a really good 1 minute inverse with momentum. Now, I didn't take this because, I don't know why I didn't take this. That's the funny thing. But something just told me that I just did not like this trade. And I think it was because of the momentum. Whenever we have a huge candle like this, usually price will go rebalance it on the next candle. So, I didn't take this, and I'm glad I didn't, because price immediately rips higher, inversing this 1 minute. And this was the trade I ended up taking, and I think was the best trade of the day, was the enter at the close of this inverse of a 1 minute, target this buy side liquidity or higher if you were extremely bullish towards this external high. You could have targeted that, or target this next buy side draw, and I targeted the next buy side draw. Price rips higher here. This is my break even. Really good break even in my opinion. I go break even. We chop before buy side liquidity. I was expecting this. I wasn't expecting price just to rip I was thinking, okay, we'll probably see some chop, but I wasn't expecting price to come down, stop me out for break even, and then immediately go rip towards the external high. And it's just a thing that happens in trading. It's a bummer, but yeah, that was the one trade I ended up taking. I got break evened on it, and yeah, I could have re-entered. And looking back at it, could have re-entered, but at the time I wasn't fully bullish towards these two buy side liquidities here. I was thinking price could come back down, chop a little bit because of how choppy price was here from 9:30 to 10. But yeah, that was about it. We had this 5-minute trade here. This worked too. It was a 5-minute inverse. Again, I don't like this because there's no reason for price to move higher. We've taken the daily objective, which would have been this external high, and I don't want to see price move higher, and price doesn't. And price comes up, sweeps this high, trades back lower, and just kind of slowly works its way higher for the day. So that's my thoughts and the daily recap for the day. So hope to see you guys tomorrow. Please like and subscribe.